In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to change the account colors to match the color of the territory that they are assigned to. By default, your accounts will match the account legend that appears here in the top right. If you've imported accounts and you don't see an account legend like you see here on the screen, that means you haven't imported your accounts with a segmentation. So they're probably all appearing as the same little blue square box. So in order to update that, you will have to import your accounts again with an account segmentation. So now let's zoom into an area. Let's zoom into like Ohio, the Columbus area. And right now you see all of our account icons scattered about, and each account icon matches the segmentation color here on the top right. So now let's say we want to see which accounts are assigned to which territories, because right now those colors only reflect the account segmentation. So to change the color of the accounts to match the territory color, you simply click here on the Layers button, and then on the right side you will see Sales Reps and Accounts. By clicking on this Accounts button here, you will see that all of our account icons are now colored in to match the territory that they are assigned to. This is also a way of showing which accounts are actually account overrides. So you can zoom into an area and you can see this little spot right here is actually an account override. It's a blue square, which is an account that's assigned to the blue territory, but it actually is located in the red territory. So it's considered an account override. And there you go. You just learned how to change the colors of your sales accounts to match the color of the territory that they are assigned to.